So hello guys, today I will show you a banner widget in a Flutter project, how to make use it. So how to make create, I will show you today. Okay, so let's go create new dot file. Name is a banner exp means example. Okay, return scaffold in the app bar. Title text is a banner. Style textile color is a white. Center title is a true. Background color is a light blue. Okay, run this file is in the main.dart import library. Run it. File is a run. You can see background output. In the body I will use a center title. In the child I will use container. Width is a infinity. Height is a 218. In the color is a blue gray. Child I will use in the child column widget and the column children. Main axis alignment is center. Cross axis is center. Flutter logo I will use. Style size is a 200. Style is a tagged. Okay. Sized box. Run this. Height is a 10. And I will use a text Flutter course. Style textile color is white. And the font size is a 20. Wrap this text in row and use elevated button. Child is a text get now. Run it. And main axis alignment is a space around. Okay, so change the button style. Background color is a umber and foreground color is a white. Okay, umber. Run it. The text color is a Flutter logo. Text color is a white, so visible the text. Okay, and the column widget wrap with the widget name is a banner. Message is a 20% off, and location is a top end. Okay, run it. So thank you for watching this video.